Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. So today is June the 6th. It is the last day of school for me. Actually, tomorrow is the last day, but it is an optional work day and I'm opting not to work it. I generally don't work optional work days unless I just have to. I try to spend as much time in the summer with my kids as possible. So we are also doing the June freezer challenge, and I am making today a Boston butt. So the kids and I took this out of the freezer. We just had it sitting on this tray so it wouldn't leak. And we're going to be doing Philly cheese steak for dinner. I do have to get some provolone cheese out of the freezer, but we're going to Sharing Life group tonight, which is like our small group for midweek. And they are having bring your own dinner, BYOD. And the kids and I are going to be doing walking nachos. So let me show you what we're going to be using for walking nachos. So I purchased this from Walmart. This is the Max Party Pack of pork rinds. There's 3 kinds in here: original, barbecue, and salt and pepper. And so we're going to take the pork rinds, open up the bag like you would a bag of Doritos, and dump in all of our fixings. I got lettuce, we have salsa, I have sour cream, we have cheese, and the meat. So we're going to use that. We'll take forks just in case, but this is what we're going to use. So with that being said, I got to get the meat done, but that is one more item out of our freezer. So I did a thing. I put together a Google sheet. It just has meal ideas. If anybody is interested in that meal idea sheet, I'll be happy to share it with you. It has my meal ideas and it also has my pantry list. You're welcome to send me your email, send me an email link, or send me your email address, and I will share it with you. It's just viewable, but it will give you some ideas if you struggle with coming up with ideas for meals. Like I put on there easy chili, but maybe you've never thought about having chili at all. You know, someone said, I see you're on keto, but thank you for sharing your meal, meal ideas. All of my meals are keto, but any meal idea can be converted to whatever meal plan, eating plan you're on. You can add carbs if you're a carb person. You can take carbs out if I'm not carb conscious enough. But I just like having ideas, and I'm constantly adding to the list of things. There aren't any recipes though, just ideas. But if you're interested in that and you want a copy of it, just send me your email address. It has to be a Gmail address for it to open properly because it's a Google Sheet. I didn't do it just in Word. I just didn't have time, but I maybe can do that. I'll plan on it. But if you're interested, just let me know. We're getting my lunch packed over there, because I've got to get out of here. I'm running a little tiny bit late this morning. My mom was up with some pain, and so I was getting her squared away, and I went to bed pretty late too. But I'm going to get this roast ready. So I'm going to be doing this like Mississippi roast, kind of like Mississippi roast. I'm just going to get all of my things and throw them in, and I'll bring you along. Okay, so Mississippi crock pot roast is pretty simple. So I do have my roast here. It's a pretty good size roast. And what I'm going to do is take a few ingredients. I'm going to take a pack of ranch dressing, a pack of brown gravy mix, and I'm going to throw those on top of the roast, shake them in. Don't forget to feed Ma'am Jackson. I'm going to take, this is not a full stick of butter, but it's just about, it's only missing 1 tablespoon. And then these are what you need. These are called pepperoncinis. So I'm going to put a few of these into, I'll put about 6, that's 7 little ones. And then I just put a little bit of the juice from the pepperoncini in. top goes on, and this is going in the crock pot.
Okay, you guys, so we're doing the June pantry. We're really doing a freezer challenge, and today is June the 7th. So we're having like almost a meatless meal. We're having snacky dinner because we're gonna do a movie night. So the things that I'm doing are using up some of the items that I purchased this week from groceries, and I'm trying to reduce the amount of food waste that I have. So I had 2 packages of zucchini. So we're doing loaded zucchini fries. We're actually going to be using some of the Philly cheesesteak meat or the roast pork that we had from last night. There was a little bit left. We're gonna take that and top it on the zucchini fries. But I have my dredge stations ready, and I pulled a few things out of the cabinet. So I've got my zucchinis all chopped up. I've got 2 eggs. And then in here, the recipe only calls for Parmesan cheese. So egg and Parmesan cheese. I actually am spicing this up a little. I added in some chili seasoning, and I added in a ranch packet. So I want to have nice and flavorful zucchini fries, even though we're going to put some stuff on top. So we're also going to be making loaded jalapenos, but we're going to be doing jalapeno popper casserole. So because Alana doesn't like to eat the jalapenos whole, we're actually going to chop them up and put them in a casserole with all the fixings, and then that's going straight into the oven. So we're getting everything in the oven. So what I've used is zucchini, jalapenos, finished out the Parmesan cheese. I did a ranch packet, and then we're also going to be doing these cheddar brats. So I'm going to cut these in thirds, and we're going to make some kind of a dipping sauce for those cheddar brats. So we're going to have several little mini dishes that we can use while we're watching our movie for the evening. So that is how the challenge is going. It's pulling out everything you have and then trying to make the best use of your leftovers so that you actually are getting rid of items as your month is going along. Still, because it's just June the 7th, we haven't made a huge dent in our freezer. However, we are, you know, moving some product. I'm moving some of the fresh things that I've purchased this week, but I'm also moving things out of my freezer. So anywho, we hope you guys are doing well on your pantry challenge or your freezer challenge, whichever one you're doing. Feel free to let us know how it's going in the comments. Thank you guys so much for stopping by our channel.